Understanding, Welded Together, a guide to English phrases. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, welded together. This phrase is not just about joining metals, but it's also used metaphorically in various contexts. Let's dive into what it means and how you can use it in your everyday English. Welded together literally refers to the process of joining two pieces of metal by heating them to a very high temperature. When metals are welded, they become one single piece, making the joint extremely strong. This process is commonly used in construction, manufacturing, and engineering. In everyday language, welded together can be used metaphorically to describe a strong bond or connection between people, ideas, or things. For example, if two friends are very close, you might say their friendship is welded together. This implies a bond that is very strong and difficult to break. To better understand how to use welded together, let's look at some examples. 1. The team worked so closely on the project that they felt welded together by the end of it. 2. Their shared experiences during the trip welded them together as lifelong friends. 3. The crisis welded together the community, creating a united front against the challenges. When using welded together, remember it implies a permanent and strong bond. It's not suitable for casual or temporary relationships or connections. For instance, saying, "We were welded together for the weekend," doesn't fit, as welded together suggests a more lasting connection. I hope this explanation helps you understand and use welded together confidently in your English conversations. Remember, it's a powerful phrase to describe a strong and enduring bond, whether literally with metals or metaphorically in relationships and ideas. Keep practicing, and see you in our next video.